G'day, my name's Pete, and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree. This tree is 19 years old, and I potted it in this pot maybe 12 months ago. It's been in here quite a while. I just need to give it a haircut and get it looking nicer. The pot is a pot I made myself. I made it. I had a crack on me, and I thought I'm not wasting it, so I'm just going to use it. And it's breaking up as time goes by, but that's okay. It still works. Works as a pot. So yeah, I've got some I want to get rid of, and some bits that I want to just keep. I think this is the face of my tree, and yeah, I think this branch here at the bottom here is got to go. I did actually think about cutting away this piece, cutting this piece off and having this as the rest of the growth, but I don't like how low it is. I'm still considering, because I could wire it. I could wire it up. What's making me consider it is the fact that the taper, because this is pretty much one solid piece. It has taper going from here. It's one thickness, and it is getting thinner for this piece up here. Or I can just cut that whole piece off and have that as the So I'm just trying to decide. I think I'll keep this. I'm going to keep this, and I'm going to get rid of this one. I'll get rid of that too. Get rid of that. And I'm going to get rid of that whole piece from there. Done now. Get rid of a lot of these pieces off of here. That piece there can go. I'm thinking of training that one there. This one has to go. That has to go. There. And these little pieces. And I reckon that has to go. one's definitely got to get cut down. That will have to go, and that. So I think that's about all I'm going to be doing for this tree. I will have to wire, you know, one or two of these. That one there, that one there. Just to get them away from each other, if this stays, or this will stay and this will go. But yeah, it's definitely, I like it now. I like what I've done. That will probably go. Anyway, there you go. That's the tree as it is now. I think that will go. We'll give it some time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you next week.